Assalamualaikum and a very warm welcome to everyone, especially to our respected lecturer, Miss Aida. So I'm Anis and I will be the first presenter in this video. So our group will be present the group project, which is server installation and maintenance, and each of us will explain tutorials for each part. So before we begin with my part, I want to introduce the group members. We have Arik Daniel bin Kamaruzaman, Anis Sofia Khalila binti Muhammad, Najwa binti Salman, and Nurseha binti Azri. There are four contents that will be explained in this video. First, preparation of installation disk by me. Second, installation of virtual machine by Arik. Third, installation of operating system by Najwa. And lastly, setting up operating system by Nurseha. First of all, you guys need to Google and go to the search bar and type Windows 10 download. So just click on the official link that will bring you to the official website of Windows, and just scroll and click on download now. So you have to wait for a few seconds, and then you will see an interface. Okay. So you just have to read the notice and license terms, and you just have to accept. Okay, and you have to click on the create installation media and click next. And for language, architecture and edition, you just have to click next. And for media to use, you have to choose ISO file and click next. So it will be automatically saved in your laptop. So just choose just choose the location of your file, whether you want to save on documents, desktop. Okay. Right now, it will automatically download the Windows 10. So we just have to wait for a few minutes. After that, they will verify your download, and you just have to wait for a few minutes again. And after that, it will automatically create the Windows 10 media, and you just have to wait again for a few minutes. Okay, and then you just click on finish and you are done.
Alright, hello, and my name is Ari Daniel, and for my part, I will explain part 2, which I will show you guys how to install VMware installation. So, what is VMware actually? Well, today's we're gonna teach you how you can, install OS. So, in order for you to not remove or accidentally remove or delete all your file or data, we need to have a VMware so that your data and information in your original device are safely kept and preserved. So yeah, let's go. So we have to open our Google Chrome first. Now there's a lot of ways for you guys to install a VMware station. One of them is VisualBox, and you can download it directly from Microsoft. But for me, I prefer to use FileHippo. So just click on the first link, and on the search bar you can type. Right, let me just on the search bar you can just type VMware, click search, scroll down, and you see this VMware Workstation Page. We are not using a VMware Workstation Pro because it's just a trial version, so just gonna click on this. And after that, you click download latest version for Windows. Now all we have to do is just wait for VMware Workstation Play Installer to complete the installation, and it's already done. So open that things that you have downloaded, click yes. Now you can select the language that you want to choose. For me, let's just use the default language, which is English. Click OK. Alright, now we can just click next. Skip all. We don't want any additional apps to install on our device. Now, just have to wait. Alright, once it's already done, you can just click run. And after that, just click next. You can read this license agreement if you want to, but let's be honest here, we don't want to read. So you just click I accept the terms and the license agreement. Click next. For custom setup, we have to click the enhanced keyboard driver for the optimal usage of VMware Station. Next, and then just click next. Create shortcuts for yes, we need to click a desktop. This is a very important, so we just click next and just click install. Alright, so after we have finished installing the VMware Station, which can take quite a while, and after that we just click finish and you're good to go. And it asks you to restart. You can just click no. So yeah, and the VMware Station will be on your desktop. So let's just click on it, and now you can create a new virtual machine. So if you want to use Linux or any other OS, if you're not really Windows enjoyer, so you can use this platform to use Linux to try a new OS system. So that's all for my part, and thank you.
So I will continue the next part. My name is Nadia binti Salman. I will talk about how to do the operating system. So create a new virtual machine and make sure you get the Windows that you already download before. Click next and then change the virtual machine name as IMD163. Click next. Make sure the maximum disk size is 60 and store virtual disk as single file. Click next. All done and you can click finish. So now this is what we will have after we create the new disk, and you have to make sure the time and the currency format in Malay. So now you can install the Windows. So click the I don't have a product key. Choose the Windows 10 Pro and click next. So click the I accept the license terms and click next. Choose the custom and click next. Wait for the Windows to be installed. So choose the right keyboard layout as US. Keyboard layout would you like to use is US. So choose the setup for personal use. Next, you just click the offline account. Click the limited experience. So now you have to make username for your own. Click next. Make a memorable password. Click next. You need to confirm your own password again. Click next. And then you have to create security question for this account. Okay, then you have to click not now. Click accept. You have to wait for several minutes and don't turn off your PC. So the part 3 already done. I will pass this next part to Seha.
Now let's set up the operation system. First, search change the date and time.
click the change the date and time. And set time zone Malaysia time. Next, to show system information, press window and R and type MS Info 32. Click OK. So we can see there are name of OS and others related with it. Next, to perform this partition, search this partition. Click one of them and change volume. In MB, so I will put 600. So shrink. Click the unlocated one. And click new simple volume. Next. 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 And for the volume label, we can change the name, so I will put this 3. Next, so finish. Now there are a new disk here. Next, to change workgroup name, search change group name. Click change and put the IMD163 workgroup. So when we change a workgroup name, we have to restart the computer. So click OK. And restart now. It might take a while, but wait until it like this and put the password back. Now, to create a user account, go to setting, and search account, manage your account. So choose family and other users and add someone else to this PC. Click I don't have the person sign in information. Wait for a little bit. And click add a user without a Microsoft account. Now put the name who's going to use this PC and enter the password. And after then put all the password, click next. And now there are a new others can use this PC. Next, to see the Windows update, go to setting, scroll down a little bit and click update and security. So here, this is the place the window will be updated. To check a folder, go to File and choose any and this PC, choose any folder. So I choose Documents and Properties. Click Advanced Sharing. Share this folder. Click Permission. Okay. So, okay. Close. Now, how to run Task Manager? Search Task Manager. Click More Details. So here we can see the Task Manager, the processes, the performance of the computer, CPU, memory, disk, Ethernet, app history, startup, users, details, and also services. So lastly, to change computer name, go to setting, search about my PC. So rename this PC. Put the name. And next. So you can restart now or restart later. So that's it for the operating system. So that's all. Thank you.
To conclude, we hope this presentation has provided you with a clear understanding of this topic. We have already covered the main points through our tutorials, and we hope the information shared has been useful and insightful. I guess that's all from us, and thank you for your attention.